What are you gonna do after you fix? Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna hang up on you.
What? What's happening to truck?
I gotta fix it.
I'll fix for you.
You gonna fix it for me?
Yeah.
What are you gonna do to it?
Fix for you.
Awesome.
Bye.
What kind of truck? What kind of car? Did you tell him what kind of car? What kind of car are you fixing? What kind of car are you fixing?
Hang on. Hello.
Hello.
Oh,
What's he doing?
I'm just sitting here eating macaroni and cheese. What are you doing?
Chicken juice.
What kind of juice?
Sprite.
What's it?
It's Sprite.
my jiggly juice.
Hello.
Oh, no, again.
Oh, there you
Oh,
are.
no,
So
no.
what kind of juice you got?
Sprite.
Bye.
Okay, what kind of car are you fixing?
Your truck.
What kind of truck?
It's blue for you.
Oh, blue for me. Awesome. I like blue trucks.
He's fixing it for you.
And I got blue truck for you.
What's wrong with it?
It's cracked.
It's cracked?
Yeah, my truck is
Yeah,
cracked.
I'm pretty sure it's probably got a big crack in it.
My truck is
Big
cracked.
crack? It's cracked? How'd it get cracked?
Because it's a big spider on it.
There's a
Yeah.
big spider on it. Is that
How did it get cracked?
It's
Did you let Nana drive it?
No, it's cracked from that.
it's from him.
Bye.
Bye.
Love you.
Mm.
Mm.